All right, here we go. CNC Group Break 3132, 1314 Fleer Showcase, 6-box half case break. I got the trade. Metal Universe for the Flames, Sean Monahan. Fleer Ultra Rookie number to 499 for the St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. We've got a Skybox Premium Star Ruby Parallel, number 10 of 50 for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. John, I think he's got a weird schedule tomorrow because of the holidays. Usually he's in at 1. Metal Universe for the Penguins, Bo Bennett. We've got a Hot Prospects Dual Rookie number to 299 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Michael Raffle and Matthew Conan. And, hey, look at that. Forgot to do it again. Left, middle, right. Thankfully, they were the same team. All right, someone say stop. Stop. Right side this time around. All right, and there's the patch. We've got a Skybox Premium for the Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Metal Universe for the Flyers, Claude Giroux. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie Red Glow Parallel, number to 99 for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Gallagher. We've got an Ultra for the Flyers, Peter Forsberg. We've got a Stitches jersey for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. We've got a Metal Universe for the Red Wings, Nicky Lidstrom. And a Precious Metal Gems Ruby, number to 75 for the Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. Sean Monahan, PMG Ruby out of 75. Skybox Premium for the Canadiens, PK Subban. And the Frog, then if I were you, I would call him to make sure. He's here now. Second patch. We've got a Metal Universe for the Canadiens, Brendan Gallagher. Oh, that's pretty. And we got a Hot Prospects Rookie Patch Auto, number to 375 for the Ottawa Senators, Corey Conacher. And we've got a one-color Hot Prospects Rookie Patch Auto, number to 375 for the New York Islanders, Thomas Hickey. Box 2. We've got a Skybox Premium Rookie, number to 299 for the Buffalo Sabres, Mikhail Grigorenko. Ultra for the Bruins, Patrice Bergeron. Metal Universe for the Avalanche, Matt Duchene. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie Red Glow Parallel, number 3 of 99 for the Colorado Avalanche, Nathan MacKinnon. 3 of 99 for the Avs, Nathan McKinnon. We've got a uniformity dual jersey for the Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban and Jared Tenorti. Metal Universe for the Senators, Bobby Ryan. We've got a Skybox Premium for the Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Patch. Metal Universe for the Leafs, Morgan Riley. We've got an Ultra for the Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Metal Universe for the Bruins, Bobby Orr. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie to $4.99 for the New Jersey Devils, John Merrill. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie to $4.99 for the Nashville Predators, Philip Forsberg. And we've got a Metal Universe for the Flyers, Peter Forsberg. All right, and patch number 1 is an ever so slightly 3-color rookie patch auto number to 375 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Bo Bennett. Bo Bennett. And we've got a Hot Prospects Red Glow rookie fight strap and autograph numbered to 27 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Richard Panik. Richard Panik. Right, on to box 3. We've got a Metal Universe for the Blues, Brett Hull. We've got a uniformity dual jersey for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar and Jonathan Quick. We've got a Metal Universe for the Stars, Tyler Seguin. And a Fleer Ultra Red Glow Parallel, numbered to 99 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Claude Giroux. Got an Ultra for the Lightning, Steven Stamkos. Patch. Patch. We've got an Ultra for the Hurricanes, Eric Stahl. We've got a Metal Universe for the Bruins, Cam Neely. Prospects Triple Rookie number to 399 for the Boston Bruins, David Warsofsky, Brian Gibbons, and Kevin Miller. We've got a Precious Metal Gems Blue, numbered 7 of 25 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nazem Kadri. 7 of 25 for the Leafs, Nazem Kadri. Got a Metal Universe for the Sharks, Tomas Hertl. We've got a Fleer Ultra Red Glow Parallel numbered 99 of 99 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. Metal Universe for the Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie to $4.99 for the Calgary Flames, Sean Monahan. And we've got an Ultra for the Kings on Jay Kopitar. Now for the Betchies. We've got a 2-color Hot Prospects rookie patch auto number 375 for the LA Kings, Tanner Pearson. And we've got 2-color Hot Prospects rookie patch auto number 375 for the Phoenix Coyotes, Chris Brown. All right, box 4. We've got an Ultra for the Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Got a Metal Universe for the Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Got a Metal Universe for the Canadiens, Guy Lafleur. We've got a Skybox Premium Rookie, number 299 for the Florida Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. We've got a Uniformity Dual Jersey for the New York Islanders, John Tavares and Ryan Strome. Metal Universe for the Red Wings, Nicky Lidstrom. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie Red Glow Parallel, number 99 for the New York Rangers, JT Miller. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie to 499 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Ryan Murray. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie to 499 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. Nunder Petchy. We've got a Skybox Premium for the Islanders, John Tavares. We've got a Metal Universe for the Islanders, John Tavares. We've got an Ultra for the Bruins, Bobby Orr. We've got a Metal Universe for the Stars, Valerie Nichushkin. And for the Patches, we've got a 3-color Hot Prospects rookie patch auto number 375. Numbered 1 of 375 for the Edmonton Oilers, Mark Arcabello. All right. And we've got a Hot Prospects Red Glow Rookie Glove and Autograph, number 27 of 27 for the Buffalo Sabres, Mikhail Grigorenko. Rookie Glove and Auto, 27 of 27, Mikhail Grigorenko. Well, that's not bad. Box 5. We've got a Stitches jersey for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. Metal Universe for the Leafs, Dougie Gilmour. We've got a Skybox Premium for the Islanders, John Tavares. Patch. We've got a Skybox Premium rookie number /299 for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Nikita Kucherov. Got a Metal Universe for the Leafs, Morgan Riley. We've got a Hot Prospects triple rookie, Red Glow Parallel, numbered 5/27 for the Anaheim Ducks, Sami Vatanen, Hampus Lindholm, and Alex Grant. We've got a Hot Prospects triple rookie number /399 for the Anaheim Ducks, John Muse, Eddie Pasquale, and Igor Bobkov. Got a Metal Universe for the Senators, Bobby Ryan. We've got a Fleer Ultra rookie number /499 for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Gallagher. Metal Universe for the Wild, Zach Parise. Patch. We've got a Skybox Premium for the Flyers, Eric Lindros. Metal Universe for the Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. Ultra for the Oilers, Jordan Eberle. And now for the patches. We start with a one-color Hot Prospects rookie patch auto, number /375 for the New York Islanders, Brock Nelson. And wow, another one. All right. Is that 3 in this break now? We've got a Hot Prospects Red Glow rookie fight strap and autograph short print, numbered 4/18 for the Nashville Predators, Seth Jones. 4/18 for the Preds, Seth Jones. Who? Seth Jones. All right, on to the final box of the break. We've got a Hot Prospects triple rookie number /399 for the Detroit Red Wings, Greg Patterin, Chad Billins, and Luke Glendening. Glenny. We've got a Skybox Premium for the Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Metal Universe for the Panthers, Alexander Barkov. We've got a Precious Metal Gems Ruby, number /75 for the Edmonton Oilers, Justin Schultz. We've got a Stitches jersey for the Edmonton Oilers, Devin Dubnyk. Metal Universe for the Hawks, Corey Crawford. We've got a Skybox Premium for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. We got a Hot Prospects rookie autograph, number /149 for the Minnesota Wild, Justin Fontaine. Justin Fontaine for the Wild. We've got a Metal Universe for the Oilers, Paul Coffey. We've got an Ultra for the Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Metal Universe for the Kings, Tyler Toffoli. We've got a Fleer Ultra Rookie number to 499 for the Nashville Predators, Seth Jones. Who? Seth Jones. We've got a Skybox Premium Rookie number to 299 for the Montreal Canadiens, Alex Galchenyuk. Metal Universe for the Canadiens, Alex Galchenyuk. And the patch to finish the break has a 2-color Hot Prospects rookie patch auto number to 375 for the New York Islanders, Ryan Strome. So there we go, boys and girls, children of all ages.